Hey there, Ronald. Just wanted to shoot you over that video as promised. This is Melissa with AMP Marketing. Wanted to give you some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence without having to use paid advertising. So looking at your website from first glance, looks like you don't really have that much content on it. You really want about 1,500 words on that home page so Google can really see it. And let's talk about your photos too. So photos are great to have on a website, and Google will actually see the keywords in the photo too. It's the way that you upload it to your website. So if you're just uploading it from the default file name, it's really going to give you no value at all. You need to save it as some type of relative content, so that way Google picks it up. Alright, let's go take a look, and I'm just going to Google in flooring install Orlando, Florida. So all of these up here are actually paid advertising. And actually it looks like you show up in here, which is really good. This is called the Map Pack. So if you keep scrolling down, these are all of your organic leads. Those are leads that you're not going to be paying for. You're not going to be paying Yelp or Angie's List or Home Advisor or any of those type of citation sites. So let's take a look at this first organic lead that we see here. So if you take a look at their website, they have lots of pictures, and they probably have quite a bit of content within those pictures as well. So they have 1,600 words on their site. So that's a big reason why they're ranking organically, and they're not having to pay for their advertising. So if we go and analyze their website, so they have over 6,000 organic keywords. That's amazing. And they also have a lot of backlinks. So the UR is basically how powerful their site is, and the DR is how trustworthy their site is. Alright, then if we go look at your web page, so you only have 255 organic keywords. And then you have 219 referring domains. So that's your backlinks that are pointing content back to your page. And I just want to explain, backlinks are any type of article or blog or any other reputable website that's pointing people back to yours. Alright, Ronald, well, I hope you found this helpful and you can implement some of these tips and tricks in order to get yourself some more business. Thanks a lot.